second gear. Wait for my coolant to get a little warmer. All right, I think it's ready. This has another Pro Charger.
That's cool. This have the bench seat like this.
This color is really pretty. I think it's about this tire I want.
That's what color my first glider was.
Oh, there we go. 215/55 R16. Yeah, it does.
They painted the engine.
I've been wanting to redo my headers. For one, the rust is starting to show through the headers again. But I've been thinking of painting them white or something. Because like a lot of the classic like race cars had white headers. I've noticed a lot of people doing this. They'll have like a fatter tire in the front to give it like a bubbled look, and then they'll have a stretch tire in the back.